In this video, I'm going to show you real quick about the auto hold on a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The auto hold feature is a new feature that is on several vehicles. You'll notice that it says auto hold right here. To engage the auto hold system, I'm going to push that one time, and then up on the dash, you'll notice that it says auto hold. And essentially what that does is if the vehicle is in drive, you'll notice that I'm going to go to drive here, and then as soon as I let off the brake, it doesn't move. This actually just turned to green, saying that it is being held right now. So like when you pull up to a light or a stop sign and you let off the brake pedal, it won't automatically just creep forward like you're used to vehicles creeping forward. And it'll actually wait until you hit the gas pedal before it decides to start driving. So that's what the auto hold feature does. To turn it back off, I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle in park here. To turn the auto hold function back off, I'm just going to press it one time, and then you'll notice up here on the dash that the auto hold has now turned off. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.